Today in front of me Nokia T20, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So here we got a lot of paperwork. Here we got the SIM tool. There's nothing. And in this box we got only the original Nokia charger with the specs and only the USB-C cable. So that's how it looks, and unfortunately the device doesn't come with the headphones adapter inside. So that's it, and thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.